What specific changes would you like to make in the current education system?
Well, the first thing I would do is to shut it down completely and bring on a brand new system whose objectives would be to benefit our nation, to benefit ourselves, to not others, not somebody outside the borders of this country, but to help us become better human beings and citizens and better Muslims, and better at everything else as well, better at science, better at mathematics, at philosophy, at medicine. For that, we need to revamp the entire system, have specific objective education, have new latest curriculums, have new and latest methodologies, have a research-based method all the way from a small child to the university, so we can develop the man of the hour, as they say, instead of specifically just someone who can do a little maths for you or do a little work for you or do a little medicine for you. Specific people. We need to have people bring out the potential of this great nation and to be able to utilize and realize that potential for the future of our generations to come. So, the three things we need to do with them. One, academically, teach them our deen in the proper and the best way possible. Two, educate them academically in life skills, in sciences, in philosophy, in history, in all walks of life, so that they may do what they love to do. And thirdly, and most importantly, give them practical demonstrations and practically make them into better citizens, better human beings, better Muslims. And mark my words, I specifically use them separately. A good Muslim will be a good human being, of course, he's supposed to be or she is supposed to be a good citizen as well. But I'm specifically saying this to make it very clear. The new Muslim, the real Muslim of today's world, should encompass all these qualities. That is what our education system should give us.